You searched how to buy shares of Hingham Institution for Savings. Hingham Institution for Savings is a regional bank that offers deposit and lending services, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker HIFS. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HIFS to find the listing. Carefully select the NASDAQ result to ensure you have located the correct stock. On the stock page, you will find basic company information and a price chart for HIFS. Check the company name and exchange one more time to confirm this is the right listing. To invest, click the Invest or Buy button, choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and submit. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market on open or executed when trading resumes. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after execution. For a direct link to the example platform, check the description below.